Is this where we're supposed to live? I hear you. This place is creepy. This room needs bright accents. Betty, that's a good idea. We'll build a bubble bed. Time to get to work. First, let's clear the space. The walls look pretty good. This is going to be a design masterpiece. There's not a minute to lose. Let's get our two-tiered bubble project started. Every decent bed must have a frame. These boards will do just fine. Let's put them together to make a frame with two beds. Come on, Barbara, put some effort into it. Cut the right number of slats and keep creating. You've got talent, Betty, but Barbara is going to do something great too. Come on, girl, I got it. The second tier is in place. Nice work.
Wow!
We're on the right track, Betty.
Yippee!
Ouch, that hurts. No way. There shouldn't be any sharp corners in a bubble bed. No problem. Cover all protruding edges with plywood.
Wow!
That's better. And now we start the bubble design. Cover the beams with
Let's
decorative
go.
tape and climb to the second tier. We'll need a ladder. Betty has already taken care of it. Look, Bestie, do you like it?
Oh my god.
The bed will have so many colors. Now, let's paint the ladder a sunny yellow. Bright colors are on trend today. And now, we need to add some comfort. Foam will turn the bed into a soft cloud. Spread it out on the second tier. Cut away any extra corners. And Barbara didn't bring the brightly colored fabric for nothing. Yellow fabric can be used to cover the foam rubber. And purple fabric will decorate the wooden frame. The level of imagination is off the charts. Here you go, girl. You'll need it. Barbara knows how to decorate. The walls could use some work, too. Bright wrapping paper? Why not?
Wow!
Love the bright polka dots. And I think the best choice is sky blue shades. Oh, yes, the first tier still lacks softness. That's much better. We still have some fabric left, Barbara. Well, colored halves are in vogue now. It looks very bright.
Wow!
And now for the best part. Inflate the balloons. And you can't do without a pump.
Thank you.
I wonder how clowns do these doggies. This isn't working. You can watch how to do it on YouTube later. And today we're making an air fence. Glue the balloons together with double-sided tape. Here we go. And place the construction around the bed. Now let's add colored plastic balls to the interior. But it seems that the friends got carried away. Catch it, Barbara. Hey, watch out. Oh, remember that. We didn't just get a bed, it's also a bright play area. It's so nice to be a kid, even for a little while. It's about time we took a little break. Stop, Barbara. We're going to need those balls. You can decorate the wall with them. See for yourself. That's a great idea. Let's cut the balls in half. Use a box cutter. Paint the hemispheres with acrylic paint. They look so bright. Arrange the colored balls in a chaotic order. Wow, that's a real pop-it wall. It even looks better than I thought it would. Barbara, what are you doing down there? It's clear the friend has decided to unpack her things. Come down, Betty, help me. I don't want to get off the phone, but if the friend insists. What have you got there, Barbara? There's real treasure in that suitcase. Toys, very nice. And those colored skirts. How about a new look? I choose the yellow skirt. Now let's try them on. Now the girls are as bright as the room. Wait, it's not like we're going to the prom. So let's use these skirts for decorations. That's a great idea, Betty. And the girls already have a fresh plan ready. Skirts and padding polyester are all it takes. Tighten the edges of the skirt with a hair tie. Tighter. And stuff the skirt with padding polyester and tie it at the top with a hair tie. The bean bag is ready with no furniture costs. And you can put brightly colored letters on the walls of the second tier. Here's to the bubble gum. Wow, it's even cozier now. We did it, girl. But you can't have too many bubbles. Betty knows what to do. let's inflate bubble balloons. Wow, they're so funny. Now let's give them a little more light. Wrap the balloons with LED garlands. Attach them to the top tier of the bed. We made great bubble night lights. Very pretty. Barbara has another decor idea. Corrugated paper garland. Cut a thin strip of corrugated paper. Cut it, Barbara. Come on. Fix the paper strip to the wall and roll it up into a spiral. It looks very festive. The new bed turned out to be so comfortable. The girls will have the sweetest dreams tonight. Huggy Wuggy has no time for dreams. While the owners are asleep, it's time to run away. Come on, darling, I'll follow you to the end of the world. Together, forever. Let's go! Good morning, girls. How'd you sleep? And the girls didn't notice something is missing yet. Health comes first. Let's start exercising. Come on, don't be lazy. There's no time to rest. We need a table, and Betty knows how to make one. A 3D pin and tin cans are all they need.
Oh, wow.
Watch and learn, Barbara. We place the cans in the corners of the future table and connect them with a 3D pen, and then fill the inside of the rectangle. The 3D pen can do a lot. The tabletop is ready just minutes later. Practical and convenient. Let's have a wholesome breakfast, shall we? We have fruit and a blender, so let's make a fruit smoothie. Betty, this is going to be delicious. Go for it. The fruits are sliced. All that's left is to whip it all up. And the smoothie is ready. Looks delicious. I wonder what it tastes like. The must-have ingredient is whipped cream.
Oh my
Help
God.
yourself. Now that's a luxury cocktail. Delicious. And it'll give you an energy boost for the day.
Wow.
Yes, Betty, it's time for you to go to your place. I'm going to take care of this candy bar. But you can't fool Betty that easy. Barbara is at it again. Eating chocolate without sharing. That's okay. At least I have bubbles. What do you say to that, girl? Here comes the bubble party. Invasion of the bubbles? Oh no! Get away from me! Barbara dared to burst the bubbles? We'll see who's who. You'd better stop, Betty. But Betty can't be stopped. She's already on the edge. Everyone, take cover! Smoke bubbles are something new. When will the bubble attack end? This is too much, Betty. Stop it now! Oops, sorry. I overdid it. I won't do it again.
I'm sorry.
I'm still hungry for sweets. But why go down to Barbara when you can just make a flying basket? It's simple. Let's glue some strips around a piece of cardboard. This is the sun we've obtained. Now let's bend the strips and put a twine between them. And don't forget the handle. The basket is ready. And to make it fly, we need a helium balloon. Hey, Barbara, would you like to share some goodies? You can't leave a friend in need, especially with that air elevator. Enjoy it, Betty. We'll need another balloon to deliver the load. The package is here. Well done. And yet, the girl is not that greedy. I can make it up to her. Barbara, stay awake. Look how many balls we have left. What do we do with all this wealth? We could have an air battle, for instance. These balloons make good sabers. Barbara, wait! Let me show you something. I watched a tutorial on YouTube. Wow, Betty gets things done so fast. 1, 2, and the balloon turns into a balloon poodle.
Wow.
This is for you, Barbara. Pretty cool, huh? I've been wanting to learn how to make doggies for ages. They're so cute. But Barbara has an idea too. Let's make some borders for our bed, and we'll use the balloons. First, we wrap the beams with tape, and we put the balloons inside. It's as easy as that. We Even a child can do it. BunkBed just got even better. Everyone should see this wonder, so it's time to call the girls.
Oh.
It's urgent. Come visit us. And now, send to all. No one will refuse such an invitation. It's very cozy here.
Wow.
Betty and Barbara
Oh my
did a
God.
wonderful job. Come on, it wasn't hard. The secret to success is to work together. Now, make yourselves comfortable. Oh, we can have a selfie moment or play with the inflatable pets. There's plenty of room on this bed for everyone. There are 2 whole tiers. And now, the highlight of the night, a bubblegum blowing contest. Let's unpack our equipment and begin. Who's gonna win this fight? Barbara or Mia? Keep chewing, girls. Don't stop. Ready? Then begin. Barbara doesn't seem to have much training, and things aren't going well for Mia either. One more try. Come on, girls.
Uh-oh.
And in this chewing contest, the winner is Barbara! Yay! First place goes to her, but everyone will get the tasty prize. Mia, stop being upset. You better have a lollipop. That's better. But the party has to end. It's been a great day today. But it's time to go to bed. Where should we sleep? What do you mean? On the second tier. It's more interesting. The pillows and blankets are already in place. I almost forgot, bestie. This is for you. You fought like a real hero. My favorite Twix!
Wow.
And a bubble portrait? Thank you, Betty. That's so sweet. We make a great team.